Tired of jumping between tools just to update your semantic models? Say hello to TMDL View on the web, a game-changing feature that lets you script, modify, and apply changes to your semantic models directly in the browser. No need to switch to Power BI Desktop or download model files. What is TMDL View on the web? This new Power BI feature lets you view and edit semantic models directly in the browser using a powerful code editor, bringing greater transparency, control, and efficiency to your development workflow. Benefit 1. Explore your model with full visibility. Access all objects and properties, including advanced ones not available in the standard UI, making it easier to understand and manage your model. Benefit 2. Boost development efficiency. Work faster with a modern code editor featuring IntelliSense, bulk editing, and search and replace. You can also leverage AI tools like GitHub Copilot to assist with writing TMDL scripts. Benefit 3. Edit beyond UI limitations. Modify advanced properties, like partition definitions or is available in MDX, directly in the browser, no external tools required. Benefit 4. Improve reuse and collaboration. Share TMDL scripts to easily reuse semantic model components across teams and projects. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.